Hello everyone, welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I am Sakshi and in this session, we are about to discuss the examination pattern for National Defense Academy and Naval Academy, right? So, in order to prepare for examination, you need to have a clear-cut idea and all the information about the examination pattern, mode of exam, marking scheme and everything, so that it would be easier for you to analyze the exam and prepare the strategy for the same. So, I am here only for that. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the overview of the examination. Here I will discuss about the mode of exam, who conducts the exam and all the information relating to the same. Later on, we'll discuss about the scheme of this exam and then we'll discuss what all are the papers, the total number of paper in this examination are. And then we'll discuss the marking scheme and then we'll discuss about the important instructions for this particular examinations. Okay, so we'll start with the first thing, overview of the examination. So the National Defense Academy, NDA, or Naval Academy, any exam, it is a national level exam, okay, and which is organized by UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission, and they recruits the candidates in Army, Navy and Air Forces. Okay, so NDA exam, it happens 2 times in a year and it happens through offline mode and it will be the type of written test. It is not an online test. Okay, now coming to the scheme of examination. So the exam is basically divided into 2 phases. First phase is of the written test and second is of the SSB interview. So in the written test that we are going to discuss in detail, there are 2 papers. First paper is of the mathematics and second is of the general ability test, which is also known as GAT. So first of all, let's discuss about mathematics. In mathematics, which is coded as 01, the exam time allotted for maths section is usually 10 AM to 12:30 PM, which means 2.5 hours allotted to maths section. That is 150 minutes. Now, the marks allotted to maths are 300. Okay. Now, coming to the GAT part, general ability test, which is coded as 02, the exam time is usually 2 PM to 4:30 PM, which makes it similar to the mathematics test, that is 2.5 hours allotted to this also, but the marks allotted to GAT are 600. Okay, which makes total marks for the written test are 900 and total time for both the papers will be 5 hours. Now coming to the SSB interview, the marks are similar as of written test, that is 900 marks. So guys, let's discuss each paper one by one. First is of mathematics. I told you coded as 01. Total marks, maximum marks for mathematics section are 300. Now coming to the paper 2, it is most important and tricky one. The paper 2 is divided into 2 parts. First part is of English, second part is of general knowledge. Part A, which is English, right? Total marks allotted to English are 200. Now, coming to the general knowledge part. General knowledge is divided into 6 further sections from A till F. So, first section will be of physics, second will be of chemistry, third is of general sciences, fourth is of history and freedom movement, fifth is of geography, and the last one is for the current events. All these sections have given the particular weightage, right? Which means in the physics section, right, the question will be of 100 marks. 25% weightage is allotted to physics portion. And similarly to the other portions, like in chemistry, 15% is allotted. For general sciences, 10%. History, 20%. Geography, 20%. Current event, 10%. And that is how the total marks will be 600 for the written test of paper 2. Okay. Now, coming to the marking scheme, it is most important. First of all, mathematics. Number of questions asked in mathematics section are 120. Total marks are allotted 300. I told you earlier. Now, which means for each correct answer, you'll get 2.5 marks. But there is a negative marking of 1/3. That means 1/3 of the marks allotted to each question, which is for each incorrect answer, there will be penalty of 0.83 marks. But if a candidate has given more than one answer, it will be treated as a wrong answer. And in case if you have given no answer, you have left blank the mark sheet, then there will be no penalty at all. Now coming to the general ability test. As I told you, first paper is of English, second is of general knowledge. So in English section, English part A, total number of questions asked will be 50, and part B, total number of questions asked will be 100, which means total marks allotted to part A will be 200 and total marks allotted to part B will be 400. And that makes it, for each correct answer you'll get 4 marks, and for each incorrect answer there will be penalty of 1.33 marks, which is 1/3 of the total marks allotted to each question. Okay, now I hope you got this marking scheme. To wrap up, the total number of questions from both the section, from both the paper, Maths and GAT, will be 270 and total marks allotted are 900. Okay. Now coming to the important instructions. The most important thing is the question paper in all the subjects will be consisting of objective type questions only. The question will be given to you and later on the 4 options will be given to you. You need to choose the correct option and mark the correct option in your OMR sheet. Now the next thing is the question booklets of mathematics and part B of GAT test, that is of like GK portion. Okay. Maths and GK portion will be bilingual. That means for maths and GK, the paper will be in English and Hindi both. But the part A for English, the paper will be in English only. Now coming to the next thing, the candidates must write the paper in own hand. In no circumstances will they be allowed to help of a scribe to write the answers for the same. No scribe is allowed. Now the commission have the discretion to fix the qualifying marks in any or all the subject at the examination. Cutoff will be decided by commission only. And next thing is use of calculator or any kind of mathematical or logarithmic table is totally prohibited. So guys, this is all about the examination pattern for NDA exam. Right? I hope you're clear about the total exam pattern, marking scheme and everything. Let me just tell you, you're just one step away from attaining your goal. You just need a proper strategy and reliable resources and reliable content. And all of this you can get by downloading a mobile app from Google Play Store and enrolling to our courses. You'll get everything relating to the NDA course there. So go right away, download the mobile app, and I'll see you in the next session. Till then, stay motivated. Jai Hind.